Hello my subscribers, welcome to London. Okay, and you too, not subscribers. Come on, subscribe now, press the button. It's just down there. I don't know where it is. Well, just when you find it, press it please, and press the bell button somewhere here or there, I don't know. Anyway, we are Cotisark today, Greenwich, and I'm going to take the Greenwich market. There's a very skilled person. You should see the amazing work he does with just a plier and wires. Let's go and have a look.
Just shook our hips, yeah.
Ice cream. Oh, cake. Hi, Mr. Tao. What is this wire is made out of?
Aluminium.
Aluminium. All right. It's amazing how quickly this gentleman is making it. Obviously he's very skilled, nothing like me. I'll just show you the rest of his work. All made out of wires. Plier, wires, an artistic skilled person. They're very good price as well. Oh my god, look how quickly he made the progress. This is amazing. Oh my god, this is so cool. Right guys, Mr. Yazdan, it's amazing work. Right, if you come here, mention my name, you get 75% discount. If not getting a double price. But Mr. Tao, thank you so much. It was great, thank you. Right. So Oh, look at this beautiful work. Very smooth curves. It's the Yazdan. Lovely. That's what you guys can do too. With a piece of aluminium wire, a little bit of practice, and you can make names, shapes, anything, and making money. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. It's time to go and have a cold pint of juice. See you. Bye.